Right on, you've selected a point perspective design. These are really fun, I love doing these, but I wanna give you out a tip or two to help with the process. So, after you fill out your customer submission form, what you're gonna do is upload a couple of photos, and typically I'm gonna select one of those. But if I don't, I'll come back to you and say, here's the kind of photo that I want. I'm usually looking for something, if we're talking about a front yard design, something from the driveway that's an angle that shows the front of the house, or even on the other side. What I'm trying to do is get the entire house and the area as close as possible. So if you send me photos of just little snapshots of the area, I can't exactly use that. I can use those as reference, but I'm looking for that photo that shows everything and is as close as possible. Second part is, after I get done with it, I'm gonna submit the design to you with the before and the after, and I'm also gonna have a detailed email that has the plant list and breaks everything down for you so that you understand the materials that go in and that it's super easy to follow. If you would like to pursue a further conversation, you can sign up for a Zoom call with me. It's a small fee, and we'll have a half-hour detailed conversation about all the little amenities of the design and any questions that you have. I am pumped for you. These are really fun to do, and they will bring a clear perspective on what this is and help you with your landscape design.